So welcome back on this video on Abhijeet Nakshatra. I told you before that the other video about the Abhijeet Nakshatra was a little different because that was something belonging to a higher level, and according to my research work I was discussing on it, but that level, you're not supposed to go on that level for now because it will be a little complicated and confusing. So we'll be doing here a regular basic Abhijeet Nakshatra, Abhijeet Muhurat, how to find out that one. Okay, that will be helping you to do the predictions up to 90% accurate. So what is Abhijeet Nakshatra? Abhijeet Nakshatra is the 28th Nakshatra, and let me write it down. 28th Nakshatra. This nakshatra does not count in the nakshatra list. Okay, only this nakshatra. We consider this nakshatra, but we never ever count in our regular count of the nakshatras in everyday predictions. Now, what is okay? A few more things about it. Like this Abhijeet Nakshatra in Arabian Jyotish, in Arabian countries, it is called as Sad Adbi. Sad Adbi. This thing is I'm telling you because Abhijeet Nakshatra is not just in India, it is all over the world. In different cultures, people give it different names. Okay, and Sad Adbi means the one who sacrifices. The person who sacrificed for somebody is called as Sad Adbi. And in the Greek mythology, it is called as Vega or Vega. Okay. And in Chinese, they call it as Neo. Okay. So it's pretty much familiar with every kind of culture. We have these four main astrological cultures in the world. One is Indian Vedic, Arabian, Greek, and Chinese, which is the most famous astrology cultures in the world. Alright. Now, what is the story behind the nakshatra? What happened actually? Okay, we're gonna discuss it. You can write it down for just for your reference. Now, this nakshatra has special importance because in this nakshatra, the Lord is being considered as Brahmaji. The Lord of this nakshatra is Brahma. Okay, and he is the creator of the world, the organisms, all the nature, trees, plants, everything is being created by Lord Brahmaji. Now, how did Brahmaji came out in the universe? How did he born? Brahma was born from navel of who? Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu's navel, the Brahmaji came out. He was born from there. Okay, and this is the one part. The second part is, in the older times when Rishi Vedvyas, who was a big researcher, big decipher of the all the nakshatras, he found this nakshatra, and all of a sudden, after a few days, when he was again experimenting on this, he was not able to see this nakshatra in the sky. So he requested Lord Indra, the main god of all the gods, Indra, to find out that lost nakshatra in the universe. So Indra went out in the solar system. He did something, and he found um, two nakshatras. One was Abhijeet, the 28th nakshatras, and one was the 27th, the last nakshatra, because Rishi Vedvyas has found only 26 nakshatras. So he found two more, 27th and 28th. Now so Rishi Vedvyas said to Indra to place that Abhijit nakshatra in such a position that even if we count it or doesn't count it, should not affect the calculative part or predictive part of the birth chart, though it should give its good and positive energy. He said, okay, no problem. Right, so that's what happened in the previous yug, and that's what is written in the Vedas. So let's see the little what do we say, scientific basis of it. This was a story I told you. Now, what is the scientific base behind it? Scientific base is that in today's date, America, Europe, okay, these main country people has been researching on this nakshatra, okay, with their infrared system. They have tracked that nakshatra in the solar system somewhere, and they have proved that this is the Abhijit star, say, and they found from their latest electronic equipments that there is another whole solar system around that Abhijit nakshatra. There is a whole new solar system which we don't know what it is. There are too many stars, suns and moons and other planets in that solar system. Okay? And those are all revolving around that Abhijit nakshatra. And they have found out that our solar system, the sun, is also going around this Abhijit nakshatra, called as Vega in the Greek mythology. So that's what they have found, and the speed of that sun is 12 miles per second. So that's what the sun is doing. So this is the practical scientific basis of Abhijit nakshatra. That's why we say the Vedic astrology is not a bullshit. It's also based on the scientific calculations, which is being proved by scientists also. So this was something about the practical analysis. Now I'm going to tell you about the exact timings of the Abhijit nakshatra, what they are. Simple thumb rule. Midnight, daytime. Okay. In the midnight, 12 a.m. In the daytime, 12 p.m. See here what I'm doing. I wrote down 12 and 12. Now what you have to do is 28 minutes, 28 minutes. Same thing. 28 minutes, 28 minutes. Simple. In the night time before 12 o'clock, the 28-minute time period, and afterwards in the night time after 12 a.m., the another 28 minutes time. This all period is called Abhijeet muhurat. Okay, same thing here. This to this time is Abhijeet muhurat. So it is very simple and easy to learn. That you gotta just calculate straight away. Okay, 11. What it is from here? 11:32 to 12 o'clock, and then from 12 to 12:28 is the Abhijeet muhurat. So in that muhurat, you can do anything good, like you have to do the what we say, evil eye protection, buri nazar, what we say, if you want to take it out, buri nazar. Okay, house warming, graha shanti, puja, any kind of good puja, and then ghost problems, if you have any ghost disturbing you at this time, new ventures, new business going to start with somebody. Okay, now these kind of good things you have to do. If you want to do, you can do it. Evil eye I have written down here. If somebody has a problem like a buri nazar, bad evil effect on the person, then you can try to do the jhada, or you can try to do the antidotes of those evil eye at this muhurat. That will work at its best. Same thing with the ghost problem. If somebody has a ghost problem, then you can try to get rid of that ghost in that particular time. It will be the best timing. Okay, the ghost will leave the body as soon as possible. New ventures. So I believe this thing covers up pretty much everything. Okay, and then well, this is another point of view. People say that if you travel in the right direction, on your right hand side direction, it is not good. It could be equivalent to the death, or equivalent to too much trouble for you on the journey or something, blah blah blah. I don't believe in this. This is all bullshit, all mess. So don't believe in those kind of rumors that if somebody says don't travel in that and that direction. So just go for something really very basic and important things. Okay, so this was about Abhijeet muhurat. So I believe you have understand about it, and you can apply this every day. Okay, also in this Abhijeet muhurat, I would like to say that if you have a Shukal Paksh, in the Shukal Paksh of 15 days time period, in these days, if you go for the Abhijeet muhurat every day or try to do something good, you have more extra good results. Okay, this is a plus point and came from my own research also, that Shukal Paksh do good, far good, when you try to do anything in the Abhijeet muhurat during this Paksh. And this Paksh, how to know it? You can go through the Panchang, buy a Panchang for yourself, and look into it when to what days is the Shukal Paksh. So you will easily figure out what dates are of Shukal Paksha. So this was Abhijeet Nakshatra, Abhijeet muhurat. You can ask me any questions if you have about it. Still any confusion, let me know. Okay, and I'll be discussing another query of your answer to your query in another video right now. Okay.